Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to use and find affiliate links that you can actually promote and start earning money by using impact.com. So for those who don't know what impact.com is a good platform that if you want to find different brands and services to work with and be able to easily promote their products and create links that you can actually share with your audience and start earning money. So I am going to split this video into few parts, starting on how you can actually join Impact, because first you'll need to have an account in order for you to have access with tons of affiliate links to promote, and then I'll go over on the Impact dashboard and show you how to navigate it. Then I'll show you how to join an affiliate program once you found a product or services you want to promote, and lastly how to actually get an affiliate links that you can promote. So if you don't have an impact.com account where you can start an affiliate marketing business and find a bunch of affiliate links that you can actually promote and start earning money, I am going to leave you a link down below on my description, so go ahead and click it and get started for free. So without wasting so much time, let's jump straight on today's tutorial. Okay, so once you click the link down below from my description, it's gonna take you on this page right here where it says impact.com, and that you can join over 1,000 enterprise brands using impact.com and start earning commission. So if you want to request a demo, you can go ahead, but you really don't need it unless if you want it. So to get started and sign up, click here where it says impact.com. This is clickable, so click there and it's gonna take us on the page where we're going to start signing up. So if you are a brand, you can use this one, or if you are a partner, you can go ahead and use and sign up from here. Okay, so you can go ahead and scroll down if you want to read the infos and see what impact.com is all about, but pretty much it's everything that I told you on the intro. So now we are on this page. Let's go ahead and click sign in. So click here where it says sign in, and over here this is where if you have your login infos already, you can go ahead and sign in and put your login credential, but we don't have. So are you a partner, brand, or agents? We are partner, so let's click here partner because we don't have an account yet. And over here we can sign up either by using an email, Apple, Facebook, Google, Twitter, or LinkedIn. So I'm gonna go ahead and click sign in with Google, and I'm gonna use my Google email. So I'm gonna click Google. Okay, and over here you're going to complete your sign up. You're gonna enter your name, your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Okay, and then you're going to agree like you have read and accepted the partner user agreement. And you can also click all the boxes if you want, but the first one it's definitely a must. So and then go ahead and click get started, and over here they're gonna send you a code on your phone number. Okay, and then you're gonna go ahead and click verify, and now we are on this page here. Okay, and now on this page here you're going to tell impact.com what is your primal business model, if it's content and reviews, deal and coupon, loyalty and rewards, if you are a creator, network, common solution, and many more. So go ahead and select which one is your primal business model. So I'm gonna type in here content and reviews, and then after that, after you select what is your primal business model, go ahead and click here continue. Okay, and now let's wait a little bit from Impact, and on this page here you're going to pick a method you want to use to promote. If you want to choose all, so you can select what you want, or you can choose all that you think applies. So I'm gonna click add a social. So over here you can add your social media. If you have Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, WeChat, Weibo, you can select which one you want. So for now I am going to select YouTube. Okay, so now I just connected one of my social, which is YouTube, because I feel like this is the one I had more following, and there is a huge chance a big possibility for Impact to accept you right away if you have a big following, like a bit of following, not like you don't need so big, but a bit of following into your account that shows that you're a real person. So I'm just gonna click continue, and over here you're gonna have to tell impact.com a little bit about yourself. If you are an individual, a company, so I'm just gonna say that I am an individual, so I'm gonna say individual. And over here I'm gonna have to fill in I'm gonna display my account name, so I'm going to fill in all these infos that are actually required here, like where I'm located, the mailing address, and stuff like that. Okay, and then I am going to sign in after filling out all the informations, and let's wait and see. Okay, so now it looks like I am almost there. Now impact.com is going to ask me to build my profile in order for me to submit my application to the marketplace. So this application won't be reviewed until like all these steps here has been completed. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna click here, get started, and filling out all this information impact.com needs. So first of all, I am going to have to verify my email, and all that has been set. And next I am going to upload a logo image, and then I'm going to write a description here. So I'm going to tell brands about myself, or you can tell about your company as well as your content. Okay, so I just wrote I'm a happy adventurous content creator that focuses on promoting fun things to do when traveling. Over here on the content and interest, you're going to tags and describe content that you are interested in, so that way impact.com can have an idea on what kind of contents they should actually recommend to you. Okay, I think this should be good for now. Okay, and then business models, content and reviews, so that should be good, I think. And you can just edit the rest if you want, but for now I think these are the most, like the must infos to put in. Okay, and then once you think you're done, go ahead and click save. And now Impact is going to save our infos. So this is how my profile looks like. So now Impact will tell us that they have received our marketplace applications. Okay, so they jumped us into the next steps. Okay, I'm gonna ask them to show me around. So I'm gonna have to add my bank account, tax documents, check my balance. So you'll need at least $10. Okay, and then next, data feeds. Okay, so if you want to watch and learn more about Impact, you can watch the quick video, but I'm just gonna skip it. And opt-in policy: in order to continue receiving email communication from us about upcoming webinar, white papers, industry. To stop receiving emails after you may edit your settings. So okay, I'm just gonna say yes. I can change it later if I find that this is like annoying or something when I click apply. So now impact.com is going to tell us to hang tight, that they're reviewing my application for now. So now we are on this stage. Impact is going to be reviewing your account, and this can take a few days for Impact to actually approve your account, which can be really annoying. They may take about even like 5 days. So unlike other platform, Impact is a little bit complicated. Sometimes they don't approve everyone, which is really annoying, I guess, because it is actually a good platform. So let's just say for just a reason you waited for like 5 days and they say they can't approve your account. Don't stress and worry. You can just carry on keeping on making your content and grow your social media accounts, and maybe after a month you can come back and apply again, and then your account should be approved with the right social media account. So let's say you get lucky and Impact approved you right away. That will be great, and what will happen is you'll be brought on this page right here on the Impact homepage. So on Impact there are thousands and thousands of brands that you can actually promote. So to start doing that, go and click here where it says discovery and click brands. So over here you can find so many brands that you can promote. You can go here on the categories and you can find different category that you actually want to promote. They have like so many things that you can actually promote different categories, so you can pick what you think is great for you. Okay, so let's say maybe you are on the travel niche. Click here where it says vacations, and you'll be able to see a bunch of affiliate niches here, and you can take a look at them and see which one are good to promote and how much they're actually paying. So some of them they're paying like really well. So let's say if you were a person posting about traveling to go maybe like cool places to stay, this will be a good affiliate to try. Looks like let's see this one, Tahit Village. This is a resort and spa. So let's say if you are a person posting about traveling, cool places to stay, this can be a good affiliate to try. Looks like they are paying about 10% commission here, which is really good. So if someone pays maybe like maybe let's say like $1,000 for a trip, you will get 10% of that. So also I do recommend you searching for the companies. Let's say this is Tahit Village, so I'm just gonna Google it. Okay, so this is the company. So I will recommend you to search up for the company so you can get to know really well about them, so you can open the website. So this is really cool. Basically people can book to go on resorts here. So let's say you are an influencer and you are talking about different resorts, you can try it out. So this is one of the many cool affiliate links that you can actually promote. Another thing I'll recommend is go through TikTok and search for the company and find it there. So let's find it. I guess it's this one here. Okay, this is the one. So let's see the account, Tahit Village. So yeah, so this is the account. So what you can do, go through TikTok and search for the company and find it if there's like any influencer or content creator are talking about the resorts, and see how they are actually promoting it, so you can take some inspiration and so you can pretty much do the same. So let's go back to impact.com and see how you can pretty much apply. So this is the Tahit Village affiliate. So to apply, click here apply. So that's the first one you can apply, or you can just click it and then you can click here apply. It's like pretty much the same thing. So and then you're going to tell Tahiti Village and Resort Spa about your brand, and then you can go ahead and click here apply. So just tell them a little bit about you and why you actually want to apply for their affiliates, and how can they benefit from you. You can pretty much tell them here and apply right away. So over here you can tell them why you are a good fit for the brand, what contents you are creating, and how you plan to get people to see your affiliate links. I would say maybe you're going to be maybe like using social media. You're a content creator, so maybe you can type in here like you're going to use social media, you are a content creator. So yeah, do something like that, and then after that click here apply, and hopefully they will approve you. Okay, so that's how you can find different brands. And when click here, you can find on apply on my brand, you can find all your brands here and apply. This will find all brands that you have applied. If there's any upcoming changes, you can find your favorite here, and you can find new too. If you click here, this is where you can find all the reports, like how they're performed by brand. If you have like so many different brands, performed by day, action listing, saved reports, schedule reports, and all reports. You can see all of them here. And also let's see on the content, so you can see all the assets you have, your affiliates that you have. If you have any products or like credit cards, you can see all the promo codes and many more. And also here you can find all the valid links, meaning the links that you can actually share them to your audience. So now how to get paid, you're gonna go here, you're gonna go click here, you can click here balance. So this is where you're going to get all your, you can fill in your bank account, so bank account settings, you can fill in all your bank infos, and Impact will be automatically send you your payment on your bank account every month, which is pretty good once you meet the milestone of the minimum balance for them to send. Now let's see how to create links. Okay, so let's say I want to apply this okay, I am going to apply for this brand here, and I'm gonna tell them I have a YouTube, so I'm gonna tell this brand about myself. Like, I have a YouTube channel with over 100k followers, teaching them their business website using different themes, and I want to introduce what's the name of this, debeautify to them. And then after that, I am just going to click apply, and pretty much my application is pending for review. So I'm just gonna, when I go to applied, I'll see all the applied brand that I did. So once you apply all your brands, you can find them on the applied section here, and they are on pending. So it might take maybe like few minutes, so it might take to get to hear back maybe like few minutes, or maybe a couple of hours, or like a day or 2 days. So you're just gonna have to be patient and wait. So let me refresh here and see. Okay, well, still on pending. So now I'm gonna show you how you can create the links, where you can find your vanity links, and that you can use to share them to your audience and promote them. So I'm gonna go back to the home section, and over here on your home section, you'll find a place that says create a link. So over here, you're going to click this arrow here, it's gonna show you all the program, all the brands that you have applied to create a link. Just go ahead, so select the brand. Right now I don't have any new brand to show you, but you're gonna go here and select the brand that you have approved already, and then go ahead here and click create. And then once it click create, this is where your link will be populated. You'll find your link here. So once you find your vanity links, what you're gonna do is just click on the link, and the link will be copied, and you can go ahead and paste it, and that's pretty much it. So once you copy the link, once you click it, it's just gonna tell you like it's been copied, and then you can paste it on the website, and this is the link that you can actually share to your audience, and you can start earning money. Like this one, if they pay maybe like $9, or they can pay $89.99. This is how you're going to earn your commission. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope today was helpful. I hope now you know what impact.com is all about, and know how you can find your brands, and you can start promoting them, earning money. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.